tell you about the history about this Grand Mosque. Grand Mosque is not like that very long time ago, but this is built by Netherlands in 1973. But finished in 1873, and then finished 1875. This is the beautiful mosque in Western Asia nowadays. But can you imagine that 4 years ago we don't have umbrella.
Yes.
This is the new one, rebuilt 2015 at the time. Now there's only in Indonesia the mosque has umbrella. We love umbrella like Saudi Arabia, Mecca has umbrella. Not only Western like you, but also local people every day come here and then just relax. They bring in their family, they bring in the child, and then just relax and then sit or just take a nap and on umbrella. This is umbrella. When tsunami happen, the water not get high inside tsunami, no. It's getting in the water, not get inside. No, it's only the outside. When the water get the tsunami hit Masjid Raya Mosque, this is very slow and slow. No fast anymore. No, yeah. But you know what? Did you show the documentary film just now?
Yeah.
Yeah, very dangerous, right? Yeah, very dangerous over there. This is the street. This street very fast. You know the tsunami very fast. And then this tower. It's rebuilt in 1995, finished 1998. This is tower.
Yes.
Yeah, tower. This is the height of 65 meters.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yes.
When you got inside before tsunami, I was on the top, and then I see all of the panorama and view in Banda Aceh very cold and then very beautiful, including Sabang Island. Yeah, very beautiful. Yeah. Any question?
No?
Yeah. You want to take picture? No? It's okay?
Okay.
Yeah, come on.
She got.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah. Now we're hiding to boat on the roof. Yeah. I will tell you the history like we say just now, crocodile. I have no idea.
I want to see a crocodile. I love it.
Yeah, but not anymore. When tsunami happened, crocodile above in the boat. When the villagers say, please don't eat us, I don't eat you, like that. Because yeah, this villager says, please go away.
You never say.
But, you know, the crowd go away. Yeah, go away. And then, yes, I will. The crowd said, I don't eat you. Don't eat me because you are has tsunami, sister. Come on, let's go there. Okay, yeah.